our much welcomed rain. We haven't had much rain for so long. This will just green things up and clear off the dust. The farmers are happy, and actually it's ironic because today is the first day of the Western Agribition. I think that's what it's called. Oh, our tree is even looking lovely. And I hope Mrs. Robin and her babies are doing okay. I put my pumpkins, I had them out in the rain, but I put them now beside the house because I don't want them to get too wetted or anything. It's really cool off, but oh, there will be a party. Every farmer is going to be up there. Doesn't look like our drainage things are getting cleared. Oh, okay. There's no